Hello everyone, so today I will try to restore a Citrix configuration from a backup. I just created a backup. I'm using the latest version of Citrix Desktop and Apps, the 2507 LTSR, and I did see that we can have a local backup, so I don't remember in the last version if we had this option. Nevertheless, it seems that in this version it's pretty simple to use. I just created the backup on an SMB share, and I created the first backup of my configuration. And yeah, let's try to, because this video is all about restoring, and let's try to restore something. So let's say, for example, we delete this policy. Delete. So by mistake we deleted the policy. It had hundreds of entries. Let's suppose it had hundreds of entries, and now we need to restore it. Let's go back, and we have here the restore backup. And now we should select what we want to restore. Policies, and check mode, yes. Missing only, missing and update existing. Okay, let's see. Let's go with missing only because we deleted completely. Let's go with restore. Okay, and so it found that this one is missing. Let's go with restore. Yes, I understand. Okay. Okay, close. Now let's see. They did restore. The logging, policies. Let's do a refresh. So it's back. Okay, now let's try something else. Let's see how good this is. So let me edit the policy. Let me change something. Let me add something to the policies. Advanced warning periods. So let's just add this one. Save. Okay, and settings. So we have this setting. Let's see if we can revert. So let's go back to backups and restore backup, and again policies. Check mode. Which component? Yes, and let's go with missing and update existing. So this, from my understanding, should check the differences. Okay, so it needs to, it doesn't show me what it will do, but it has identified that there is a difference. Okay, let's restore. Yes, I understand. Okay. And it's done. Okay, let's see. Let's go back to policies. And we should only have two settings. Let's wait a little bit, because it's not that fast. And yeah, so that setting was removed. So very nice, very nice. Okay, let's try an application. So Paint, Notepad, simple application, but let's just change its name, or let's see, description. What can go wrong is here. Let's create an issue. Save. Okay, so this application will never start because it has a bad path. Okay, let's see if we can restore that. Let's go backup and restore. Select our backup, restore backup, and now select application, individual application, missing, update existing. Okay, restore. Now I believe it should check all the applications. It found Notepad. Okay, and restore. Yes, I understand. Okay. Okay. Now let's go back to applications and check out. Notepad, was it? Notepad, just so it still looks wrong, but let's do a refresh. Oh yeah, so it's done. It's repaired. Very nice. I can say very nice, very useful. And let me see what else can I restore. Administrators, AppV, applications, backup, schedule, delivery, groups, hosting connection. This is also good. Machine catalog, policies, rules, site settings, storefronts, tags, zones, user preferences, storefronts. Yeah, storefronts we will never use. Site settings. Okay, so very interesting. I can only say thank you, Citrix, for this one, because this will be very useful. And we can also, on what I've seen, we can schedule backups, so every month, every week. So this is very nice. And yeah, I will also test it later on. I will test if I can, for example, if I reinstall my entire farm, if I can recover my configuration and my apps from a backup. That will be an interesting video to do, but that is another subject. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you liked this type of videos. Have a great day.